Hi everyone, my name is Zach Fryer. I am the current chair of the Student Subcommittee on the Alumni Engagement Council. I'll be co-narrating this PowerPoint to you with the helps of Nicole Moore, who also serves on the Student Subcommittee, and we hope you enjoy it. This is our Alumni's Guide to an Accounting Degree. We had a lot of help from other alumni from the School of Accountancy, and I hope it's valuable to you and helps you in your decision with a major. To give a brief overview of the PowerPoint presentation, our overall goal is to provide you with some insight and help you in your decision-making process when choosing a major. To do so, we show you what to expect from an accounting degree, whether that's academically or professionally, as well as preview what the undergraduate courses will look like, as well as the master level courses if you choose to pursue a graduate degree. And then to follow with some recent graduate feedback in hopes that the experiences of the recent graduates might mirror the experiences that you will encounter if you choose to pursue the accounting degree. And then to end, we have some distinguished School of Accountancy alumni who will share their thoughts and highlight the tools and foundation that the accounting degree provided them that set themselves for a successful career. Without any further ado, I will turn it over to Nicole, who will present to you on some of the expectations for an accounting degree.
Hi everyone, I'm Nicole and I graduated from DU in 2019. I'm going to chat with you today about what to expect with an accounting degree. So courses. The courses are really innovative and adaptive because current alumni and people in the working world come back to DU and tell them things they wish they knew, as well as professionals will come back and tell the program these are the skills we want to see in our future employees. The accounting core is 30 students who take classes together to learn intermediate accounting and then go through the rest of the program. The core is really great because it helps you build a network of future professionals, as well as having people to help you with homework. Along with that comes professional outcomes, having these job technical skills because employers are coming back. It gives you a great chance to prepare for the CPA exam with 30% higher pass rates, and 95% of accounting students graduate with a job offer.
Our first alumni is Alex Stevenson CPA. He is the Chief Financial Officer of Offen Petroleum. As a CFO, he provides leadership, direction, and management of the finance, accounting, IT, and HR responsibilities of the company. He works closely with other C-suite executives to ensure a strong financial foundation in the day-to-day operations. Alex is an Alumni Engagement Council member and the current Executive Committee Chair. He's also a big DU hockey fan, so go Pioneers. Alex has accomplished a lot being a CFO, as well as getting to work in Perth, Australia for 18 months. He's also a father of twin girls. Alex believes the DU accounting degree set him up for success in his knowledge and foundation of financial statements. He truly believes that financial statements are the universal language of business, and through his strong foundation that DU instilled in him, it gave him the confidence to enter new areas of business with ease. Our next alumni is Joan Flores Moses CPA. She's the Treasurer and Chief Financial Officer of the National Endowment for Financial Education. As the Treasurer and CFO, she supports the President and CEO in developing and providing oversight of the Foundation's financial strategy and risk management. She's involved with DU and the School of Accountancy as a member of the Beta Alpha Psi when she was a student, and then as an alum. She's been invited back to campus to speak to accounting students about her career path, as well as being a featured alum at the 2016 Winter Mixer. She has numerous accomplishments ranging from being a CPA to have spoken at 3 national foundation conferences to serving on numerous boards of foundations, always utilizing the skills and talents that she possesses to further benefit the surrounding community. She believes the DU accounting degree set her up for success with DU's premier reputation, as well as the exposure it gave her to top accounting firms in the area. The exposure with the reputation allowed her to enter the career that she wanted with the firms that she wanted with her best foot forward. Our third alumni is Jessica Seidlitz CPA. She is the Deputy Chief Compliance Officer for Charles Schwab. As the Deputy Chief Compliance Officer, she and her team are responsible for providing advice and support to the investment management and investment advisory groups. As these groups manage over $500 billion in assets, her role as an advisor and to provide support is critical to their success. She started her involvement as an alum by being a founding member of the SOA Alumni Affinity Council. She's also the recipient of the SOA Young Alumna of the Year Award, as well as currently sitting on the SOA's advisory board. Now, if you're looking at her accomplishments, you might not realize that all of this was possible with an accounting degree, but she's worked as a financial statement auditor, campus hiring recruiter, principal financial officer, chief of staff for the CEO, and now the Deputy Chief Compliance Officer. She believes the DU accounting degree set her up for success in her career with the foundation and problem-solving framework that they instilled in her. She found, like Alex, that accounting is the language of business, and although she might not do accounting each day anymore, she still utilizes the tools that she learned from the program. This helped her when she took on the numerous roles mentioned in the accomplishments, as well as just the numerous day-in, day-out roles and problems that she might encounter. She also valued from the program that the professors and the alumni were invested, and more importantly, invested in her own success. This was a key differentiator for her when she was selecting a major. And now, I will turn it back over to Nicole, who will talk to you about the remaining 3 alumni.
The next alumni we want to highlight is Ben Aruda. He's a managing partner at Flywheel Capital. Ben is a great example of how you can do anything with accounting. It doesn't have to be strictly audit or tax. He's noted that you can do anything you want in business with an accounting degree because it's the language of business. Ben was previously on the SOA advisory board, and he still has season hockey tickets, showing he's a big fan of the university and still being involved. Our next alumni is Mallory Bell, who also serves on the Student Engagement Subcommittee. She's currently a manager at KPMG and works in deal advisory. She works a lot with mergers and acquisitions as well as divestitures. One notable thing that Mallory has done is served as a postgraduate technical assistant at the FASB. For those who may not know, the FASB is the standards and rule-setting organization for accounting in the U.S. She attributes her time at DU and this opportunity to the way DU's curriculum is and how it's a really notable program. Stephen Lee is a manager for PwC Assurance. He's also a member on the AEC Council and was a panelist at the DU Technology panel. He believes that a DU accounting degree sets you up for success because outside of your job, it teaches you basic individual tax knowledge and improves personal finance skills. He also believes that it helps him to deliver things on time and work as a team. Thank you so much for tuning in to our virtual presentation about a DU accounting degree. We hope that you've learned something new today and learned that accounting degrees mean tons of options. We hope that you'll reach out with any questions you may have. Thank you so much.